what is the process of making the alcohol? What is very important? What is the main ingredients of making the alcohol? First, what is the very important of making the alcohol, which is the raw materials, correct? So what are the raw materials that are using to make an alcohol? Now, it's going to be depend on the product with what alcohol you want to make. Either you want to make rum, vodka, gin, tequila, or the whiskey. The most common one that we are using for the most of the beverage are barley or some grains, right? Now, in terms of the raw materials, what is the second most important is the yeast, correct? So we do have the raw materials and we do have the yeast. So those two components are very important in making the alcohol because all the raw materials which consists the sugar, which is the thing or which is the glucose which is needed to make the alcohol, because the yeast or what we call the most common yeast that they are using to the market is what we call Saccharomyces cerevisiae or Saccharomyces pastorianus. So there are hundreds different kind of yeast that you can find in the market. Okay, and there's also a natural yeast that you can find anywhere. Yeah, so combining the yeast and the raw materials consists of sugar. The yeast will eat the sugar, which is resulting of the carbon dioxide, and then what we call the ethanol, which is the ethanol is the reason why you get drunk. So this is the process of making alcohol. Now, once you do the fermentation, this method is what we call the fermentation. Now, fermentation is very crucial in terms of making alcohol. It really depends on what alcohol are you making. You're making a wine or you're making a spirits. If you want to make a spirits, it needs to have a distillation process. Now, who can explain the distillation process? That who can explain or educate the distillation process? Yes, Glenn.
So from my own understanding, distillation process from the fermentation of how we are making the alcohol. So distillation is the separation of the other liquids and then separate that one, the alcohol that we need, we separate that one and let it freeze.
So separating the